the 5.3 oil 8060 on the K5. She an 80. So we finally got that dash back how we needed and wanted. Finally got the temperature right. All the gauges working. So we trying to get there. Main thing now, while we waiting on rims and tires, them big boys, them wide boys in the back, we just we're gonna tighten up the interior, get it right. You know, got our airbags in. Right there, this next one what we're gonna put in. So get some videos on that electric power steering out of a Volvo. They say that electric power steering away, so I gotta modify. I'm gonna modify some brackets for it. We'll get that on camera for you guys too. Modify some cameras for it so we can get it installed. So, you know, they say it's gonna take about 3 months on the 3 months on the wheels and tires get made, the rims. So while those getting together, we're just gonna tighten up the edges, get the bumper on, front bumper, rear bumper. I think I'm gonna shorten the bumper, bring it in a little tighter. I wanna do a steering wheel. See, we got the steering wheel off. I wanna do a quick release on the steering wheel, but we'll see. A little bit at a time. As they say, wrong one built in a day. Wrong one built in a day, y'all. So, yep. So like I said, this is just a quick video. Want to give y'all kind of where we at, because I never really got a first start up on this bad boy. And yep, I'm seeing.